In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and save a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. First, make sure you're logged into your account. Head over to the QuickBooks Online website and enter your login details. Once you land on the dashboard, you'll find a plethora of features and tools to explore. For today's purpose, we're going to focus on generating a key financial report, the profit and loss statement. Navigating over to the left-hand menu, you'll see the Reports option. Click that, and you'll be transported to a page filled with standard reports ready for you. One essential report we're particularly interested in is the profit and loss report. In this section, you'll find various options, but you'll want to use the search function to locate the profit and loss report quickly. Simply type it into the search bar, and it should pop up as one of the options. After you click on the profit and loss report, you'll need to select a time period that suits your reporting needs. This is where you get to fine-tune the report to ensure it captures the correct data time frame. You'll be presented with the From and To fields. Click on the From field first, which will let you set the start date for your report. Subsequently, click on the To field to define when this reporting period ends. For selecting dates, there is a friendly calendar interface to make this process smooth and intuitive. Now, with your report period set, it's time to choose your accounting method. This could be cash or accrual, depending on how you manage your financials. Once you've selected your preferred method, you're ready to proceed. Look for the option to Save As, because we need to lock in all these settings. This is crucial, especially if you plan on accessing this customized report again. When prompted, type a unique name for your file, something memorable and relevant, so you know what it is when you see it later on. Additionally, QuickBooks gives you the option to organize your reports into groups, which is highly beneficial for those managing multiple accounts or departments. Once you've organized everything to your liking, hit that Save button. To check all your saved reports, navigate back to the previous menu and look for the Custom Reports section. This is where you will find every custom report you've saved so far. See if your new report appears there. If you wish to share or keep records of this report outside QuickBooks, hop over to the drop-down icon you'll find on this page. It'll offer you several downloading options, such as exporting to PDF, Excel, or CSV formats. After choosing how you'd like to export your report, the file should automatically download. Go ahead and check your Downloads folder to ensure it's there. That's it. You've successfully generated and saved a profit and loss report on QuickBooks Online.